2012 Jeep Cherokee 4x4. This is a Grand Cherokee. Alright, so this is a Hemi. For those who don't know something about the Hemi, this is a 5.7 liter. Well, guess what's under that? Pick that up, and you got 16 spark plugs and 8 coils. That's a lot of spark plugs. And here they go. So you got 8 holes there and 8 holes there. So to do a full tune-up on this, you're gonna do your cabin, your air filter, your cabin filter, and here's the 2 filters. Here are all the spark plugs, the anti-seat, and then you got to replace the boots on each coil when you do a full tune-up. And then of course, if you can do the oil change too as well. So it's really easy to get to it. This thing, you unscrew the filler neck, and then you just pop this up, and then just make sure you put it back before you start working. Then this one has a flat head right here, and then you take this cover off. I got 2 clips over here, and then the hose connects to the engine right under the filler neck right here. You pop that out and you set it right there, and then you do your spark plugs. Now each coil is going to be held by two 10s. Okay, and then for these 2 spark plugs here on the passenger side, you're gonna need a little extension with your socket, because if you got a long socket like I do, like this one, it will not go in. It will not make that turn right there. So you gotta have a little extension. You drop it in, and then you get your other little extension and you pop it on. And then of course you do it with your ratchet. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped someone, and for maybe some people didn't know the Hemi has 16 spark plugs. So there you have it. Thank you.